what it do. You know, he ain't never made a track. Passed down his own track, so I'm about to take him, let him see what it feel like. Maybe he can see what the customer's saying, how they feel about going down the track.
This is when we go into the wall.
No, hell no. No, it ain't that bad, goddamn. You gonna see that they lying. Shit, they lying. It ain't that goddamn bad.
I wanted to make it a little bit hard. I didn't want it easy like XRP.
Well, we're gonna see. It ain't that bad.
I gotta put a little bit of challenge.
We're gonna have to glue it down, though. We're gonna have to glue it down. We're gonna have to make sure it's full grip. It's on full grip.
She's got Gorilla Grip on it now.
Yeah, we got it on there. We're finna get it ready. I just put the cup holders in.
So is this your panty dropper?
Yeah, this is my panty dropper.
Yeah,
well,
I see how this is a panty dropper.
Well, shit, it just look like some old school. Like, damn, what is, you know, people really ain't got that many 4i coupes riding around now.
I know the name of this car. What's your name? Your name is the Moneymaker?
Somebody else, they said, this dude said that that truck was named that in Louisiana and it lost.
Oh, really?
Hell yeah, the Moneymaker lost. Pretty Tony said, I think it's called the Heartbreaker.
The Heartbreaker?
Yeah, because your heart gonna be broke.
Yeah, I like that. That's good. That's your style. That's
yeah.
That's you all the way.
Yeah.
The Heartbreaker.
Yeah.
Your hearts will be breaking. You say their hearts are in their wallet.
Yeah, Home Depot wanna run me because you know I got you in the car. And I told him I was gonna be taking it easy, so he gonna block me out. I could have been running him over there and made a little shake. No, he ain't finna do nothing. I'm taking him for a ride, see how I feel.
See, I gotta get used to feeling what it's like if I'm gonna drag race myself.
Yeah.
I gotta get the feel of being in a race car.
Oh yeah? That's how they I might not need none.
Woo! Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby!
Ain't no glue, right? I got time in my trunk.
Go back to the water, fuck it.
I got some glue in my trunk.
You better glue that bitch now.
I want a highlight. That's fine. You can get him a highlight.
Damn. Yellow belly.
We in here.
Hell yeah. I got the camera like this. Should I turn it the other way?
Okay.
Should I go back that way?
It don't matter, man. We in the building. We got Easton in the car. We about to make a shakedown. Already. We about to make a shakedown.
Alright, here we go.
Getting Home Depot. You trying to see what I got. I ain't gonna show him too much.
No, don't show him anything.
I ain't gonna show him too much.
Don't let them wonder. Save the best for last. Make them think you're slow.
Yep, that's what I'm gonna do.
Exactly. This is the hookup.
You want me to? Do you want me to take off with him or let him take off by himself? I'm taking off with him.
6.8 right there.
That was in the 60s.
I know it was. It almost was a 5. I can tell the way that feels. You were hitting it. Did he get you on that one?
Yeah, he won.
Fucking Home Depot.
Goddamn Home Depot. Let's hit it again.
Oh my God. Hey, did you see how fast that finish line comes up on you when you get going? I mean, it's like, hey, that's better than Six Flags right there, buddy. I'm telling you, right there. There ain't nothing Superman's got on you.
Yeah.
Nor Batman. Holy shit. This is what they come for.
Yeah.
Damn. That's a rush.
Yeah.
There's no rush like it. Can you imagine doing that thing and can you imagine doing a 493 on that thing?
Shit.
And that was 6s.
Yeah.
A 493. My God. That's crazy. Damn. Oh my God.
Oh yeah,
Oh my
man.
God.
It's
Oh my
going
God.
down, man.
Oh my God.
We in the building, man. We just made a little shakedown, you know what I'm saying? Next time we're gonna turn the nitrous all the way up and let you feel everything, you know what I'm saying? The whole shebang. Yeah, we got the helmet right here for you, man. I'm ready to show you what to do, man.
You're a damn genius is what you are. You haven't got me fooled.
Yeah, I ain't got them
Smart as
fooled,
shit.
y'all.
No, you're not. You ain't
man.
the typical dog out there.
Yeah, I ain't the typical
Yeah, I